Welding or welded joint. Welding. It is a process of joining metallic part by heating to a suitable temperature with or without pressure. Types of welded joint: butt joint and lap joint or fillet joint. Types of butt joint: first, square butt joint, V butt joint, U butt joint, double V butt joint, and fifth, V joint with backing strip. Fillet or lap joint: first, single transverse fillet joint, double transverse fillet weld, and third, double parallel fillet weld. Strength of butt weld: P equal to sigma T into area of weld. P equal to sigma T into H into L into efficiency of joint. Sigma T equal to tensile stress. Strength of parallel fillet: P equal to tau into welded area of throat. P equal to tau into T into L. P equal to tau into 0.0707 H into L, where L equal to length of weld and H equal to leg of weld. Parallel fillet weld in shear. Strength of transverse fillet joint: P equal to sigma T into area of weld. P equal to sigma T into 0.707 H into L for single fillet, and P equal to 2 into sigma T into 0.707 H into L for double fillet. Axial loaded unsymmetrical welded joint: P equal to P1 plus P2, summation of M equal to 0. P1 equal P1 into Y1 equal to P2 into Y2. Eccentric load in plane of weld: analysis of eccentrically loaded welded joint. First, direct shear stress. Second, secondary shear stress. First, direct shear stress tau 1 equal to P by A. Second, secondary shear stress tau by R equal to T by J. Tau equal to T by J into R. Tau 2 equal to PE by J into R. J equal to A into small l square by 12 plus R2 square. Welded joints subjected to bending moment. Tau 1 equal to P by A. Sigma B by Y equal to M by I. Sigma B equal to MB by Y. MB into Y by I. I equal to BT cube by 12. Y equal to D by 2. M equal to MB equal to E into P. I equal to T into BD square by 4 for single weld. I equal to 2T into BD square by 4 for double weld. Tau max equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 equal to half into under root sigma x square plus 4 tau xy square. Sigma max equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 equal to half into sigma b square plus 4 tau 1 square. Problem on welded joint.